Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to chime in a little bit today and kind of clarify a few things on the Patreon thing. Just to say, somebody did mention, hey, we're not all stalkers and, we followed you for years, and that's very true. Unfortunately, all it takes is one. And so we've had to do several things to preserve our privacy and whatnot. Now, I've been reading a lot and talking to a lot of people who have achieved a certain amount of celebrity in life. And we are not, by no means massive celebrities, but we're big enough to bring in some haters. And the haters come with the territory. And there are degrees of haters. There are the snarky ones on the channel. There are the snarky ones on the social media, whatever. I don't really care about those. But when it turns into physical attacks, then we do have to start taking precautions. And frankly, we should have been taking precautions before any of this stuff happened. And any of you who have followed us for a few years on the channel, you know what's been going on. And ultimately, maybe I will tell you everything that has been going on. But for right now, not going to do it. So I apologize that I'm not able to make myself and Pete and Gigi and everybody as public with all the details of where we're going to be, what we're doing, our private life, and that kind of thing. But unfortunately, it is necessary for security at this point. So there we are. We're just continuing to grow. We're continuing to help more people, which is the whole point and purpose, is to boom the area, bring in work, make it so the kids in these villages don't have to go off and find work somewhere else. They can stay home and there will be work for them in their towns and villages. That's the whole goal. That's what we're doing. It is a labor of love. So we'd like to do more of that. The Casse de Fuse project, we're going to do a little bit more of that at some point, as soon as I can actually walk in these historic centers and film. But the bottom line is we're not going to get smaller. We're not going to shrink. But we do have to take precautions. So I hope you guys understand that. And there we are. We'll still give you great content and our thoughts and ideas on things, and some beautiful photos of Italy, beautiful properties, hints and things on moving over and things you need to know, and all of the stuff that we normally do. But any sort of more personal stuff, we're going to do it to a much smaller audience for security reasons. So I hope that helps, and I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of why we're doing that. And there we are. It's unfortunate, but I guess, when you have haters, it's a sign of success. So see you later, guys.